Our cares are blowing in the wind just for a day, just long enough to catch our breath and come alive, just long enough for changing up the scenery to where we really wanna be. Everything is fine, one step at a time to find our way to the heart of the day. We're jumping out of time, we're running with the wind, but there's no finish line. We're getting lost along the way and everything is fine. Just step outside ourselves and suddenly we see this is where we ought to be. Everything is fine, just taking one step at a time to notice life along the way. Hey, everything is fine, one step at a time to find our way to the heart of the day. Step at a time